Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Permutation and Combination Miscellaneous Exercise. Question number 6. Let's move on to the question. The English alphabets has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabets? So how many words we are going to find with 2 different vowel and 2 different consonants? Only 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants. Here I am taking the English alphabet. In that we have vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. In that we are going to take 2 from vowels and 2 from consonant. So we are going to take 2 letters from the 5 letters and 2 letters from the 21 letters. So we are going to select this and we are going to form word of from this selection. Here we can select it by, your total number of ways will be 5C2, because from 5 we are selecting 2 and from 21 we are selecting 2. In this 4 letters again we can rearrange them. So in the arrangement can be of 4 factorial because there are 4 letters. The 4 letters can be of the first one can be, we can write any 4 letter from this 4 letters. So it will be of 4 ways. Here already I have written 1, so it will be of 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. So selecting these 4 letters, we can arrange them to form a words. So you will have 4 factorial. Be careful while writing this because people used to forget this. They will only select the words, they will not arrange the words because here they have given how many words. So we need to again arrange the selected letters. Now we'll move on to the solution. Here it is 5 into 4 because of 2. I am writing only 2 here. 2 descending elements here, 2 factorial. So 2 into 1. Here 21 into 20 because of 2. I have written only 2. Here 2 factorial, 2 into 1. Here 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now 2 2s are 4 get cancelled. Now multiply the rest. 5 4s are 20 here. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 here. 420 into 6. 6 2s are 12. So 42 into 12. Here 42. If I add it becomes 504. So 504 with double zeros. So 504 00 ways we can write the selected 4 letters to form a words. That's all with the sum. Thank you.